Tēnā tātou e te iwi, koe nei ngā karere o te poari, koe ima Gardner tōku ingoa.
Tēnā koutou katoa e mātaki mai ana, ko au te tihi o ngā uri o kānehi umutahi, ko tōku ingoa ko Katrina Taylor.
Hi. So this board hui was very much workshop related, and so one of the key kaupapa that we discussed was the final strategy, which we approved. And so the team are working on the final version now, and we hope to get that published quality version out to you early August. We'd like to thank all of our uri that participated in the process, the in-person wānanga, the online wānanga, our drop-in table at Taranaki Tū Mai, and also at our recent hapu hui. So thank you to our 6 hapu for hosting us and discussing some of the priorities that are coming up for the next few years. Your feedback has helped to enrich the past feedback and engagement dating back to the Ngā Hapu days. So I just want to mihi kia koutou katoa. And thank you also to Dee, who led with our board the development of this new strategy. Nō reira, tēnei te mihi hoki kia koe Dee.
Hi, e tūtoko ana I ngā kōrero, tēnā hoki koe ima. Annual planning workshop. So the board were fortunate enough to sit with some of our kaimahi from the tari and to walk step by step through our annual plan. That was one of the main focuses for our last board hui. It was an enjoyable experience to be able to connect and engage with taurangi and the kaimahi here in the tari. We saw lots of enthusiasm, lots of motivation, and a real eagerness to support many of the activities and kaupapa ahead of our kaimahi in the next 5 years. Nō reira, kia koe taurangi o te noa koutou ngā ringaringa me ngā waiwai o tō tātou iwi, tēnā koutou katoa, tēnei te mihi, kauana. He whakatepe māua, kei te whakatū mai ko te hui ātau. So our AGM for this year is fast approaching, and so we've got a few pānui that we want you to be aware of. We've had a strong increase in attendance and engagement at each of these AGMs, and because of that, there's been some pressures felt by some of our pā, in particular in the technology area, and just being able to bring a quality kaupapa and event to all of our uri. In saying that though, we are really pleased to inform you that our next AGM for the board will be held and returning back to Waiokura. Nō reira, tēnei te mihi ki te hapu o Ngāti Tū. The AGM will be held on Saturday the 29th of August. Nō reira, e te iwi, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, ki tō tātou hui ātau mo tēnei tau. Nō reira, ko māua tērā, rire, hau, pai mārire.
Pai mārire.